響いてただ駆け抜けた胸にまばゆい衝動弾けた想いに My star will shine forever あの日抱えた全て強く生きてゆけ僕の中で今蘇る
Yo, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? Welcome back again with me guys, Pujibula, and today we are going to analysis about the other side, but we are still related. The name is Minephone VX. Yes, this is the first smartphone in the world that can be produced up to 2 Ethereum per month. This is the very amazing guys, that the user can get the earning with only have one pawn. Let me tell you guys that this pawn is come from Spain, come from Bitwings. That Bitwings is come from Spain. Bitwing are representing of the Minephone VX. This is very good. Seems like other pawn, an Android pawn or the app or that iPhone, seems like that. But the only thing that different with other is that this pawn can mine up to 2 Ethereum per month. This means guys that if you has this pawn, you can get the money every month for 3 years contract by the Bitwings. After you are finish the contract or ended contract, your mining power will be closed. This is the very good guys about the Minephone. Let's see, and let's get the specifically to get the data about the Minephone VX. Let's see and let's move. This is the 4 Minephone guarantees that the Ethereum difficulty, Ethereum mining rules, Wings VX fall or tip, and exceptional event. This is very good guys. And this is crypto mining still profitable. Is crypto mining still profitable these days? And I think guys that the crypto mining still profitable is no, because we should using the RIGS, right? And the RIGS is very spending of electricity, and the reward by the RIGS who mine of the cryptocurrency cannot pay the electricity in your home. I believe it. And portable crypto mining a new reality, and this is the good one by the Minephone VX already presenting here with the zero cost and free market. Oh my god, this is very good right. This is the old technology against you that the RIGS will be replacing by the pawn. This means guys that the RIGS will be spending the place, spending the electricity, spending your money, will be replacing by only one pawn. That the means this is the very good project guys, that the Bitwing give us many function of their product. Hope this project can be successful in the future guys, because I'm very want to have only one of this pawn guys. No problem. So this is the different thing between the mining of Ethereum, maybe for example the RIGS, and with the Minephone VX you can easily to review about this data easily with price, with electricity, with what is that, location, energy, seems like that. You can easily to get an to what is that, to make a different thing, to compare it, especially the profitable in 3 years. That this is the minus and this is the plus. It's very amazing guys. This is very good. Let's see that everyone is talking about how we explain. You can easily to watching this video and take a look into the future, that this is the specification of the phone. You can easily to read auto analysis about this one in here. And this is the new super powerful mining, that the chipset already presented with the MediaTek Helio P60 with AI CPU, and camera with the Samsung 18 megapixel in back, I think, or in front. No problem. That's it seems like that. Yeah. You can easily to read up the specification in here, right? The battery and neural stack specification application are presented here. Okay guys, this is the example of mining production, that the Minephone VX with 100 megahertz, 300 megahertz, 6 megahertz, and Minephone VX with 1000 megahertz. And guys, let me tell you that let me tell you a little bit of this pawn guys. If you want to get more an earning, After you get this pawn, you use this for mine Ethereum, right? You can get up to 2 Ethereum per month, and after that you can download, you can use your mine, use your skill for using this pawn for advertising or monetizing your product. For example, for the first, if you have a product, you can promote your product in here, in social media, in Wings Play Store, and any kind of advertising place inside the Wings store. And if you have a unique skill, you can use an application and upload it into the Wings store. And I believe that the Wings store, if your application has many people already downloaded, you will get the reward. So this seems like other video, but the only thing is different. The name is this video. This pawn can mine up to Ethereum per month. This is they can make easily to the user who want to take an earning from the pawn. This is all, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget, guys, for subscribe, like, share, and comment this video, and bye.